Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'll be talking about Braun mini facial hair remover. We'll talk about how it works and its pros and cons. Also, if you are someone who is seeing me for the first time, I post makeup, skincare and product review related videos. So if you like my videos and find it informative, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now without a further delay, let's get started. I've been using this product for almost 1 year and I really like it because I don't like using razors and threads on my face as I find it very painful. I'm someone who prefers painless method and something which is quick and easy to use. So for me, this is a savior, and trust me guys, this is a one-time purchase. Like, this is a one-time investment. Once you purchase it, you will not regret it. It retails for 2,000 bucks. Got it on sale for 1,700, and most of the time it's always on sale, so I would recommend you to get it on sale only. Now let's quickly have a look on the packaging. The packaging is quite sturdy. It comes, let me show you what's inside. It looks like this and it comes with this pink cardboard box. This is the facial hair remover. Let me show you guys. This is the facial hair remover in white color, which looks very cute. It is tiny but quite heavy. It also comes with this little brush which is used to remove all the trimmed hair. When you use it, it makes a little buzzy noise, and it has blue smart light which reveals your fine hair. It has two compartments. This is the first one and this is the second one. Like, this is the upper one and this is the lower one. So once you remove this cap, you can see the blue light, and on the top of this you can see a little compartment, like circular compartment, where all your trimmed hair is collected. Now let's talk about this compartment where Braun is written. This is the lower compartment. Once you remove this cap, you can see the battery area where the battery operates. It's so easy to remove and insert the battery. So all I would say that it's very easy to use. It's so convenient. I use it at night before my night skincare routine, and I would recommend you to use it on a dry face, not on a wet face. Now let me just show you how to use it. That's all about today's video. I hope you find it helpful and informative. I personally like this device, and if you're someone like me who doesn't like to use razors and threads on your face, then you can surely go for this one. I'll mention the link in the description box. Also, if you have any queries and feedbacks regarding this video, please write in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to answer your queries. Also, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with a new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.